When we moved into this house about a year ago, I wanted to put a 55-inch screen TV right there, but somebody thought that was a bad idea. And I'm not gonna say any names, but somebody didn't like the idea of having a screen on the wall 24/7, so I have the perfect solution. All right, Savannah, why don't you like having a TV up on the wall?
All right, so we did used to have a TV, but years ago, this little guy was trying to be so helpful, so he took a spray bottle and cleaned our TV, but ended up killing the TV because it got drenched with water. And then we got used to not having a TV, and I kind of like the look of this being clean and not having a giant black screen TV as the center point of this living room. And I got used to that. So at the same time, we want to still keep family movie nights and have that time, but I don't want anything permanent on the wall. I want it to be something portable that we can put up anytime we want to do those movies, but then take it down and have it look like this at the end of the day.
All right, you guys, well, I'm excited to show you the perfect solution to our needs. And Jaira, I need your help. So can you help me out?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Wow.
All right, so the answer to our problems is a projector and a projector screen. This is not your ordinary projector. It is an ultra short throw projector. If you don't know what ultra short throw means, I'm gonna let you know. It's pretty awesome. And this projector screen is an ultra short throw projector screen. And the technology behind this is awesome. And I can't wait to share it with you. But first we need to get this up on the wall, and then we'll be able to show you what's going on here. I'm going to be using the BenQ calculator to decide where exactly the screen needs to go. It's a huge help to let you know exactly how far the projector needs to be from the wall in order to get the maximum screen size. This screen from Elite Screens is very heavy duty, so we want to make sure these brackets are in sturdy studs. And the nice thing about this screen is on top there's a rail that goes all the way across the screen, so if you need to make adjustments left or right, it makes it very convenient. So the screen comes with these nice brackets that go flush against the wall, but we have one big problem. That problem is this, our fireplace mantle, is that what it's called? Yeah, mantle. So I went on Amazon, bought some pretty good brackets. These things come out about 12 inches. So that is gonna get our screen past the mantle so it can come straight down and not have a problem. So I think a lot of people wouldn't have this issue. So usually these would just be fine. All right, so this projector screen is unlike anything I've ever seen. The material on it is like crazy, but in order for me to show you how this thing works, we have to get out the projector. There it is. This is a little USB drive that connects to this, and it makes your projector a smart projector. A couple controllers in here, and you may be wondering, why isn't there a lens right here for your projector screen? Like I said earlier, a short throw projector, and I'm gonna tell you in a second why that is, but this right here is a nice big speaker. So let's get this thing set up. Your traditional projectors, you actually have to put them about like 10 feet away from your screen in order to get 120 inches. I'm not 100% sure on that, but usually you have it like really far away, right? So in our case, it would be right in front of our couch, or you mount it on your ceiling and you can have a projector up on your ceiling, but yeah, that ain't working for us. So What an ultra short throw projector means, throw actually means how far your projector needs to be from the screen in order to project your 120 inches. So this is what makes this projector so special. You only need to have this projector 13 inches away from the wall in order to get 120 inches. Now there's a lot of benefits to this. As you can see, if we had our projector one right here, we'd have cables coming over here. Also, if the kids run in front of the screen, you know how it just casts a huge shadow on there? Well, that ain't happening with this guy. So what makes this screen so special is that it has two layers. One is an absorbent layer and the other is a reflective layer. So the reflective layer is meant for the projector light, and that is angled so the projector light can go on there as efficiently as possible. And then there's an absorbent layer that blocks the light coming from your ceiling. So if I put my light right next to it, you see how it's just very bright, okay? But imagine the ceiling light coming down. You see how much darker it is? Now let me go back up, show you the difference. And now down. You see how it just really doesn't reflect very well on there? Elite Screens has this in a version that's like a fixed version, which actually kind of looks like a TV screen on your wall. And then they also have one that rises from the ground. So basically we have this all set up. This grid really helps us to show that we're in the right spot. And I think this is a pretty sweet spot here. I want to show you something in the back here. Two little tabs that you push, and it actually tells you how far you need to be away from the wall in order to get the amount of inches of screen you want. If the kids decide to put their face over this projector light, it turns off automatically. So that's kind of a nice safety feature. All right, we got a football game on. It's looking pretty good, huh?
Dude, this is a huge screen. Wow.
Also, something really cool is the angle. You can actually, you're not losing quality when you come to the side of it.
Yeah.
It actually stays the same.
Yeah.
Which is really cool.
See on the side. What?
Look at that. Look at all these people. I feel like I'm here and I'm amazed that I'm not covering the screen going like this.
Yeah.
It's just, it doesn't sound like a big deal, but it really is.
It really is.
It's just like, wow, look at this. I mean, I feel like I'm walking with the players right now. To be honest with you guys, today is really not about me. It's about the kids, okay? It's about our family night. And we have the perfect movie to watch with the kids tonight. We're really excited. So you may be wondering, okay Mike, it's a nice setup, but where are you going to store the screen and the projector? Well, I'm glad you asked. Remember that bracket that came with the projector screen? We're going to use that same setup out here in the garage. The kids use this garage every single day. It's like a huge multi-purpose room. So we now have a projector setup ready to use at all times.